Now tell me what we learned in last class. What we learned in last class? We learned, I think only one point we learned in last class, that is called as object level, R3 object level authorization, right? What we learned? RPD object level authorization. Only one point we learned it. RPD object level authorization. Now here we got here one point, user and role permissions conflict. Permissions conflict. Then what is happening? User and role permissions conflict. Then what is happening? Which is executing? User permissions will be executed. That is the one important point what we learned. Second, role 1 and role 2 conflicts. I mean permissions conflicts. Then what is executing? I'm not saying sub role. Role 1 and role 2 has no relation. Role 1 and role 2 has no relation. Role 1 and role 2 has no relation. Then what is going to execute? Less restrictive permissions will be executed. And role 1 and sub role of role 1 is role 3, or let us say role 1 okay, role 1 dot 1, let us assume like that. Role 1 and sub role of role 1 is role 1. Permission conflicts. Then what is happening? Role 1 permissions will be executed. Sub role permissions will not be executed. Whatever we have in the role 1 level, that will be executed. But we are not, no comments about that. Means what? Whatever we have the role 1.1, that will be executed. Are you getting my point? Okay. These three important solid points what we understand actually. In RPD, how many objects we have it? 4 objects. 4 objects, how to control it? Now we are aware of it. Subject area it may be, table it may be, column it may be, or hierarchy object may be. Now today we'll go and try to understand here. Next one, web catalog. What is this? Web catalog permissions. Okay, web catalog permissions. Web catalog objects. Web catalog objects permissions. Now tell me, in the web catalog here, if you go and try to observe web catalog here, in the catalog, what are the things we have it? You may have folders. Inside the folder you may have what? Dashboard. Inside the dashboard you may have what? N number of dashboards. Inside the dashboard what you have it? N number of pages. And in the same catalog, we also may have, what is this? We have, what is this? KPI. And we have, what is this? One report. Like that, n number of things you may have it. Anything, whatever available in the catalog, that permissions is nothing but catalog object permissions. It may be report, folder, dashboard, dashboard page, KPI, scorecard, KPI watch list, anything. Right. If you go and try to observe here, let us say sign out, I am signing in here. Then I'll show you simple one. If you go to the catalog, we have here one folder. That folder is called as, for example, B259 folder is available. What is the folder? B259 folder available. Is this B259 folder visible to the user, our regular user? What is the user we are testing? B160 DDR and RR capital, ITEC small 123. For this user, is that object is available? That folder B259 folder. If you go and try to observe, B259 folder is available or not? But what is my requirement is this user should not have access to this permission. What level I am asking? That folder, entire folder. In that folder you may have n number of dashboards, n number of reports, n number of KPIs, n number of things. I don't want to show this folder to this user. Then how I can do that? Very easy. Now go for here, sign out, then sign in as WebLogic user, then go to the catalog and see here your folder. Which folder you want to provide the permission? B259. That folder you have to see here. If you need to see that folder, means this folder parent. Who is the parent? Shared folder. If you select it, then shared folder corresponding all sub items are going to see here. Once you see that one, here what is available? More. In the more, what is available? Permissions. This navigation is common for anything. Report, you want to provide the permission, means report more button you have to go and permissions. Dashboard means dashboard more button you have to go and permission. Report is available where? Inside the folder. That is the reason what you selected here. Folder, if you select it, the sub items all we are going to see here. Then that report level, whatever we have permissions you can provide. It may be agent, it may be normal report, it may be one dashboard, or all the dashboards, or only one dashboard, okay, or it may be one dashboard page, doesn't matter. Anything you want to provide the permission, you have to go to what? That object, more button. That object, more button, we have to go. In the more button, we have the permissions. Now you guide me or you do it. I don't want this user to see B259 folder. Yes, Sharma, please try to do it. You have to go to the B259 more button. Sharma, you there? Hello? Sharma, you there? Yeah, I gave the control to you. Please try to do the B259 folder. Should not visible to this user B160 DDR. Please try it. First, you have to make sure that folder is available right side. It is attached available right side means what? That parent, you have to select it. B259 parent is who? B259 parent is who? Shared folder. So select the shared folder first. Then we are seeing B259 folder right side. B259 folder more button you have to go. Then we are seeing what? Permissions. Then for which user you want to provide? Click on the plus symbol. Then B160 DDR. Search. Move. Then here, in case of RPD, we have very less options. Like I mean to say, you can do the read or you should not see that one. Only two things. But here what? Only open permissions. Modify permissions also. Full control. That means for this folder, he is acting as administrator. For this folder, that is. no access, traverse, custom, and number of things are there. We learn one by one. Time being, we'll give the no access. Give the no access. Okay. Okay. Log out and log in as that user B160DDR. Now go to the catalog. Then shared folders. Then if you see the shared folder, here are you seeing here B259 folder? No. Why? Because we given what? No access we given. No access we given. Right. Do one thing here today. What you have to do is for the same user provide the read, open, traverse, whatever available over there one by one provide it and observe all options. Are you getting my point? Okay. That we are going to do it. Now if you see in my notes, right, presentation catalog or web catalog objects, we can provide these all things and we have the permissions are. These are the permissions we have it. I think no access, open, modify, full control is self-explaining points. Only thing what we don't know is what? Traverse. The traverse we are going to see in tomorrow's class more clearly. We are going to see it. Tomorrow I'll cover the traverse, followed by privileges, then this permissions, actional table, whatever we have it. I think tomorrow I can complete the security chapter. Security chapter I can complete tomorrow. Okay. Today you try to practice. For the same user, select the open, full control, modify and see what are the differences you are seeing. Can you try it? Okay. Thanks then. Tomorrow we are going to meet it. Bye bye.
Ram. Hello.
Yeah.
Ram, I wanted to talk to you. When is a good time to call you?
To whom I am speaking?
This is Rinku Sharma.
Yeah, you can call me after 10 minutes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.